In the world of high-rise construction, safety isn't a luxury, it's the foundation. We know you see the headlines. You worry about shortcuts. But when choosing a suspended platform, your ultimate priority is trust. Our platforms are engineered to meet and exceed strict global regulations, including CE certification for the European market and ISO 9001 quality management. Your project timeline matters. We ensure efficient global logistics and maintain a robust inventory of readily available spare parts. When you partner with us, you gain a dedicated team for installation support, maintenance training, and 24/7 technical expertise.